Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart Home. Today, we're going to show you how to connect your Bose Smart Speaker to Alexa so you can enjoy seamless voice control and a whole lot more. Whether you're a music lover or just want to make your home smarter, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So, let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Bose Smart Speaker is plugged in and turned on. Also, ensure that your Amazon Echo device is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Once you've got that sorted, grab your smartphone or tablet. 1. Now, open the Alexa app on your device. If you don't have it already, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. 2. Next, select Settings from the menu. 3. Now, scroll down and select Add Device. 4. Choose the type of device you want to add. Since we're connecting a Bose Smart Speaker, select Speaker. 5. Now, select Bose from the list of available brands. 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. This may involve entering your Bose account credentials or connecting to your Bose speaker's Wi-Fi network. 7. Once your Bose Smart Speaker is successfully connected to the Alexa app, you can start using voice commands to control it. For example, you can say, "Hey, Alexa, play some jazz on Bose." Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Bose Smart Speaker is now seamlessly integrated with Alexa, allowing you to enjoy hands-free control and access to a world of music, news, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.